Can I just say something, actually, because I haven't actually had the chance to say anything yet. I will not sharing. Can I just say that? I'm being serious, because you know that fat girl with the manky foot? She was well eyeing me up on the coach. I will reckon she's a leather. I'm not being funny, but I don't want to be getting changed and have her staring at my Dawson's Creek.
Is it on? Is it on? You reckon it's working? Are you in there?
Breathe in, then breathe out. In and out of your love.
Because this place is like, well, gay.
Your son's eyes look so positively. Let it all, take it in like a sponge. You tell me you don't wanna be this way. Fast upon you as a child. One thing that I learned from you, man, there's hell of a difference between what you do and what you say. Nice to meet you, not to borrow. Put your foot down, oh, play with fire. You get burned, and you play with fire. You get burned.
Yeah, now have shut up. So shut up telling me to shut up.
I don't embarrass you.
Having fun?
Yep.
Thumbs up for Mount Choice.
Choice is
Choice is
I haven't even thrown up yet.
Close though. Had the burps.
Now thinking about tomorrow, only today. But I don't give a fuck what it does to you. All those guys with lonely lives. One thing that I can't handle, man, is watching walk by with shady eyes. Nice to meet you, not to borrow. Put your foot down, go play with fire. You get burned, and you play with fire. You get burned, play and you play with fire. You get burned, play with fire. Go play with fire, and you play with fire. Go play with fire, you get burned. Hear a scurry on the ground, red dust in the air, and the monitor escapes from not only me but the heat which is all around. And it's gotten so hot, sweats down my back, yeah.
You're not going to bed, are you? Yeah.
And I hear this crack on a storm ahead, yeah. But my only shelter is this little caravan, 10,000 volts above my head. You know yet and come, not all that glitters is made of gold, and not all that scent is bought and sold. Oh, now you're so far away. There's that hand that calls, but don't you know, not all wonder is lost. So much trouble around us, like I'm island in a turbulent sea. And have a look around, as soon as you touch down, you'll see how wrong generalizing can be. So much trouble I know, it all misunderstood, yeah. Back to lies on female before I arrive, judgmental attitude won't get you past the cover of any book. And I hear this crack, got a storm ahead, yeah.
You like it?
A little bit. If you watch that back, my face will be... I think I did a bit of weed as well.
Yeah, no, yeah, not all that glitters is my heat of gold, and not all that scent is gold and soul. Now you're so far away as the hamper cold, but don't you know not all wonder is lost.
Oh, I can't see shit with this now.
You won't get nothing on there. You won't get nothing on there.
I'm telling you, you guys up here.
Ah, shut up. Shut up! I can't believe you just said that.
Fucking.
Shut your fucking gob.
Oh no!
I beg your pardon,
I can see the red
fucking
one.
racist.
Itchy, I can see the red one. It's right there.
Racist.
Yeah, I told ya.
So see where Venus is,
Alright.
then sort of go on a diagonal.